Operating the machine. When you arrive on site, always do a site assessment first. Look around for any conditions or obstructions that could hinder loading or make operating the machine unsafe for anyone. If there's a source of sparks, flames, or unknown vapors nearby, do not operate. When your assessment is complete, set the throttle to low. Turn the key to accessory. If it's cold, turn the key to ACC. If it's cold, let the glow plugs warm before starting the machine. Turn the key to start. The engine should fire in a few seconds. If not, don't run the starter more than 20 seconds at a time. You could damage the motor. Warm up the engine at medium idle without any load. Don't use the machine if the fuel gauge reads empty or the temperature gauge is reading hot. Travel to the job site using the left joystick. When driving the machine, avoid drop-offs, embankments, and slopes. The loader can be driven at a maximum slope of 20 degrees. Driving on any incline increases the danger of the loader losing traction or rolling over, especially if the surface is wet. If you lose control, get out of the way to avoid getting injured. Drive especially slow on all inclines and only make gradual turns. After the job. Once you're done, move the loader to level ground and park. Never park on a slope. Turn off the ignition switch. Never leave the machine running unattended. The muffler and engine get hot enough to cause serious burns. Always make sure the engine is turned off and let the machine cool entirely before transporting or performing maintenance, cleaning, or touching the engine, muffler, hydraulic lines, or hydraulic fluid. To clean the machine, wait until it's cool and then spray it down with water. Once clean, run the machine briefly to remove water from moving parts. Once you return to the shop, complete all other required cleaning, lubrication, and battery maintenance. Never refuel near a source of flames or sparks. For more specifics on assembly, warranty information, maintenance tasks, diagnostics, and more, consult your owner's manual and visit www.barretomfg.com.